Hi guys, so today you're going to be learning how to play the Paraluman in ukulele. So I'm just gonna put the chords in the screen. So it starts off with C, then G, A minor, G, F, then G, C. You have to repeat it 2 times. For the chorus part, you're going to do F, G, C, A minor, F, then this chord, I forgot what it's called, but you have to put this here, here, and here. Then again, C, then G, A minor, then G, F, then G, then C. So we're gonna try it with music, or we could sing it. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's do it slower.